I'm on my way to an Amazon Flex drive that is $49. I ordered a microphone that's gonna sit on me and it like connects to the phone. That way it won't be when I'm recording stuff. I got two of them too. So if one is dead, the other one won't be. And it's out of a mall. I've never done anything other than like a $69 one, and those ones are usually pretty easy, so I'm assuming that this is going to be easy. I don't really know. It's the only time I've ever gone to a different destination, so I'm a little bit nervous about this little. But we'll figure it out. We'll find out. 7 minutes away from the station, and we're supposed to be there at 2:30. I can't remember exactly how long it was. I think it was a 2-hour window, but it's only for $49, and I usually get ones that are $69 or above. I don't know what to expect. I don't know exactly. My wallet out right now, or my license out right now. I'm assuming I'm gonna need it. So I usually need it for everything else. Come on, people, go. I saw a video the other day of he's a content creator, he's funny. He was like, that one really nice friend that just has random road rage, who's like, go! It's just like normal conversation, and then like, what is wrong with you? We could have both made it. Like, that's me. That's just me. I don't like waiting. I don't like going slow for no reason. Get out of the way. If you don't know where you're going, 5 minutes away. We're supposed to start at 2:30, so I'm gonna be there 5 minutes early. Well, we have till 2:35 to boop boop, but I did want to get there a little early in case I can't find it, because this thing is unreliable. It'll be like, pick it up right here, and you're looking at a wall. So sometimes you gotta get like, what? I don't know about like the pickup stations. I'm assuming they will know exactly where to go for a pickup station, but when it comes to like not a pickup station, sometimes they take you to places that are not anything that you would assume. Like, leave this package here in the middle of this parking lot. And it's like, no, I don't think so. Yeah, when those things happen, I do my best to like use my judgment of like, where would this package be going? And in the worst case scenario, we'd be like, we can't find the destination because you're lying. And then you have to take it back to the station. And I got my little notifications, or like my updates, and I've gotten a lot of compliments, and I'm one of their best people. I doubt that they say like to anybody though, like, you're one of our worst, you just suck at this job. I'm just like anal about getting things done right. Sometimes I get nervous, like I'm gonna get in trouble for doing something, because I've seen people be like, I got fired for like some stupid reason. And 3 minutes away, here we go. Nervous Nelly. Let me out. Are you gonna let me out? Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Sometimes it pays to be a girl. Just kidding. Guys are usually nicer to me than women when it comes to driving. When I make these videos, I just think about all of the things I'm gonna have to edit out. I'm like, I'm gonna have to like I went through my thing so I could make space, because there was only 22 minutes left of recording time on the phone for the space. So I went and I was like, okay, let's delete the big ones. There was 4.5 hour long. I've already shared most of those. Sometimes I record stuff that nobody ever sees. The other day I did a poll, and I was like, should I edit out this or blah, blah? And a lot of people were like, no, just like maybe some, but not everything, because they did want to hear a lot of it. So I kept in a lot of my chaoticness. Go! I don't think I like coming here. Not at this time anyway. It's not a good area either. My mom would be like, no, don't go there, you'll die. Don't ever go to Brockton. He's a homeless man. I am not a bum. I need money for medication. Please help. I wish I could help you, man. I'm sorry. I don't really, I do have some monies in there, but I got maybe on the way back out. I'll give you some. I'm sorry, man. I am not a bum. Me either. I have one, but I am not one. I don't identify as a bum. What do you identify as? Take another left. And then we are going to park right here somewhere. Alright, so this is just a random parking spot. Where the hell do I go, guys? Oh, it's Market Basket. Is it Market Basket? Let's take a look. So I've arrived. I don't know where to go. There's an entrance to the mall right there. In this area, the store name will be provided once the delivery. GNC. Okay. Where the hell is GNC? So I have 2 places to take it to. Acknowledge and begin. I think someone just got in an accident. Let's get the fuck out of here. Hopefully these people don't crash into me. Welcome. I clicked get walking directions, but I had to put the settings on in my phone for it to work. Excuse me, you know what GNC is?
Yeah, right down here on your right.
Thank you. You would just hit the little X to exit out of the walking directions and say I'm at the store. Hi, I'm here for picking up for Amazon.
What bag did you have?
It's Cheryl Shipper with these numbers, and then Francine Tobin.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, got it. So 26 minutes for the first one, and then I don't know how long for the second one, but we can peek. You just want to go into your itinerary and look at the stop, and then exit out of that one and go into the itinerary to look at the other stop. So as you can see, we have 2 packages. One to Hanover, one to Chestnut Hill. So this sucks. I was just sitting in traffic for like ever. I have both GPSs on right now because this one says that it's going to be like I won't be there until 3:15, and this one's like, oh, you'll be there in 20 minutes. That one down there was saying like 30 minutes. So I think what it is that when you get stuck in traffic, this one doesn't add any time to it with Amazon. It just like keeps it stuck at like 23 minutes. You'll be there in 23 minutes. But like the regular GPS is like, no, you won't. You'll be there in like an hour because traffic is just dead stop. But they have like the one side of the road completely stopped. And then I'm going into Boston at like the worst time to go into Boston because when I'm coming out of Boston, there's going to be fucking Boston traffic. So I don't think I'll be doing these again. Definitely not at that time because getting there took forever. Leaving there is taking forever. And I don't know what it's going to be like coming out of Boston. So, only 2 packages, $50 is a good amount for only 2 packages, but not when they're like so far away from each other and you've got to go sit in fucking horrible traffic on the way home. We're gonna manifest that it's not that bad. We're gonna manifest that it's so easy. So when I was just sitting back there in the traffic, I was like, go, and we started going. So, I'm gonna keep, doing that, like, energy balls to clear the way, energy ball to clear the way, energy ball, energy ball, energy ball, here we go. How do we make an energy ball? We make an energy ball like this. Rolly, 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 rolly.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Winter Street.
And then the road is gonna take a little bit to get there today, but on our way, we are the way. 21, 3:14, here we go, everyone. La 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 la, na 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 na. I think I'm gonna have a little bit of weed. The good news fairy. Energy ball, emergency door in front of us on the bus. McDonald's on the left. We're going straight, it could be great if we could just get there today. La la la, la 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 la. La la la. I guess I will see you in a little while. I don't think 49 is enough for this stupid fucked up stuff. But it's only 2 packages. It's like 2 packages, man. 4. We'll get out of there right around 4. So maybe we can beat the traffic back. Let's keep on. You want it all, but you can't have it. Baby, you can get your back up. Baby, you can get your back up. Get my brother, get your back up. Picture away. I wonder where you've been. I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. Saw you yesterday with an old friend.
It was the same, how have you been?
Since you've been gone, my world's been talking gray.
Reminding me of brighter days.
I hope you're coming home to stay. I was headed to church, I was also trying to get away. Thought about you for a long time. Can't seem to get you off my mind. I can't understand why we're living like this way. Just call to say I love you. Come back home. Cause it's a monster that's on my bed. You know, with the voices inside my head. You try and save me, stop holding your breath. You think I'm crazy, but that's not bad.
If I hold it up, God, I need a favor. I used to be a fire, now it's cold inside. And I was feeling like it was me. I let you out if I ain't mine. But you won't make me a friend, and my heart's been doing fine. So we don't have my head, I'm in the fall out of time. Everything I'm down to time, I'm not in this been down behind.
I know you will always love you. I 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 will always love you. Real tough cookie with the longest history. Breaking little hearts like you want me. That's okay, let's see how you do it. What I'm gonna do, so let's get down to it. Get on with your best shot. Watch you with your best shot. Hey. I probably should have gone to Boston first and then Hanover on the way home, because Hanover is, you know, closer to my home and it's on the way back from Boston. But I'm going pretty deep into these little fucking side streets in Boston. Not enjoying it. I don't like the fucking city. It's like my least favorite place to be. Just don't like it at all.
For the longest time, once I thought my innocence was gone. Now I know that happiness goes on. That's where you found me.
It says to stop here and speak into the speaker. Amazon delivery? That hasn't happened for the longest time. For the longest time. For the longest time. I guess I'm parked. Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks. We're calling Tony. Thanks, Tony. 39 minutes. Here we go. Don't block traffic. Oh, no. Here we go. An hour and 40.
Take the next right.
I hate you, you stupid bitch! Why would you lie to me? Why? Why the fuck would you do that to me?
In 800 feet, turn right onto Massachusetts 9 West Boylston Street.
You fucking liar. See what I mean? See what I mean? She lied to me! An hour and 12 in red. Which means it's climbing. Which means we need more energy balls. Energy ball. Energy ball. Get the fuck up, bitch. Thank you. Energy ball. Oh goodness gracious, it's a fucking shit show. Here we fucking go. Well, you gotta let me out. It's a red light. Oh, of course not. Fucking asshole. Keep going. Yep. Fuck off. Thanks. Thank you. Take 2 minutes until my house. Let me take a left. There we go. Get moving. The guy in the Jeep stopped for me and he let me come into this lane, but the people in the right lane were like, fuck you, bitch, fuck you, no, fuck you. So he's the one, the other one's fuckers. The car's like, beep, 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 he started. I feel like driving in Boston. I don't like driving in traffic. Does anybody know how to avoid the traffic? Is there like a setting? It's like, can we just not stop in traffic? Can we just go around it, get off the highway, you know? But it always tries to take you back to the fucking highway no matter what, because it's a shit show. It's an asshole. I didn't like it. It's not that bad. Just a little bit of a ride. It was very easy deliveries. I don't know. Depends on what you're driving. Fucking $40 of gas in my Jeep to go up here. But we had 3/4 of a tank when we started. We're only like between the half and the 3/4, so. Haven't done enough gas on the way there. Well, I guess that's that. So as you can see, there's red on the thing. It says it's going to be a 13-minute slowdown here. It hasn't been. Like right now, we're only going like 30, 40, but a few minutes ago, well, for a while here, I've been going like 50 up to 60. People keep slowing down, but there's not like any dead stop traffic that I have seen yet. And this part that says red started a while back before I even got on the highway. So I don't know. I just did some energy balls and was like, get out of the way. And it seems to be pretty consistently like, yeah, we're slowing down right now, but we're still moving. We're not dead. And like I said, this thing started there. It said 13 minutes. We're not. I don't know. I don't know why. Like I have not seen any reason for that to be. Up over there on the right. Is that where the accident was? Everybody needs some time alone. Yeah, there's 2 cars, so maybe that was the accident. Yep, that was the accident. Somebody rear-ended the other party. That's the accident, so we should be clear now. Woo-hoo!